Maths Guru channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. I am also fine. In this video, I am going to derive one important formula from the coordinate geometry, that is section formula. So how we can derive the section formula? Now let us see. In xy plane, just you can take xy plane. Just I am taking. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Okay. Now, in that xy plane, in this xy plane, this is y dash, x dash. I am taking one line segment. I am taking one line segment. Let us take AB. Okay. This is, let us take A. Let us take B. Okay. Now here A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2, x2 comma y2. Now one point P, let us take one point P, dividing the line segment AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. m1 is to m2. Now this is the point P. I am taking that point P x comma y. Okay, coordinates of point P x comma y. This is the line segment AB. That line segment AB, on that line segment one point P is there, which is dividing the line segment AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. In the ratio m1 is to m2, internally it is dividing the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. Okay, just here I am writing internally. It is dividing. Okay, now see from the figure what we took. Let us take any 2 points in the xy plane. Let A is x1 y1 coordinates and B is x2 y2 coordinates, and point P is dividing line segment AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. Just I am not writing, just I am telling to you. Point P dividing AB in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. Okay. Now, if it is divided internally, then we can write, what we can write? AP divided by PB. We can write it as AP divided by PB, which is equals to m1 by m2, which is equals to m1 by m2. Let us take equation 1. Okay, after taking equation 1, we need some construction here. So better to construct. Just I am taking AR and here PS, here BT, B to T, P to S, A to R. Just I am drawing perpendicular to x-axis. Okay, when it will draw, let us take OR. Now let us take O, here O to R distance, let us take x1. Okay. Now O to S, let us take distance x. Okay. O to S, x distance. O to R x1, let us take. And O to T, let us take the distance as x2 Okay. Now this distance, see, here this is x2, this is x, this is x1. Okay. Now here this distance will becomes OS minus OR, means x minus x1. X minus x1. Now this distance, ST distance, we can consider as OT minus OS. OT is x2 minus OS is x. OS is x. Okay. So now you will get. This is with respect to x axis. Now with respect to y axis, what we can take at it is, if you want to find out, and one more construction after this, you can consider P, let us take here C, PC which is parallel to x axis, and AQ which is also parallel to x axis, we can take construction. Okay. Now after taking here, whatever, this is a rectangle, no, in the rectangle opposite sides are equal. So RS is equal to AQ. Whatever distance is there, the same distance here it will be. Here also this PSTC, it is one more rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So whatever side is length is there, the same length here we can consider. So that is x2 minus x. Okay, after getting, now we want to know the values of PQ and BC also. So let us take PS length is y. Let us take PS length is y. Then it is opposite sides are equal, means this side also you will get y here. Okay. Now here let us take, this is y2. This is y2. Now this you will get y2 minus y. Here you will get this PQ. PQ you will get y minus y1. If P2 is y means this, let us take y1. Okay. This here to here y. Okay. Now here this length will be total length y. Here to here y1. So from total length you can subtract to QS, that is y1. Okay. PQ you will get y minus y1. PC you will get x2 minus x, and BC you will get y2 minus y. Okay. So construction important. Here what we are writing, the same here we should take. So just construction what we made in the figure, just I am writing here. See what we took, AR, PS, BT. Okay. From the figure, AR, comma, PS. Okay. PS, comma, BT. BT. Before that, you can write draw AR, comma, PS, comma, BT perpendicular to x axis. Perpendicular to x axis. And one more thing, AQ and PC. From the points A, P, B. Okay. So A, P, B here only there, no need of writing. So one more, and here AQ and PC parallel to x axis. Draw AQ and PC parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis. Okay. Now after this construction, see here we got it two triangles, AQP and PCB. Those are similar triangles. By AAS similarity we can write it as triangle AQP, triangle AQP is similar to triangle PCB. Okay, triangle PCB. Here write down triangle symbol, triangle PCB. These two triangles are similar. Whenever the two triangles are similar, then we can able to write ratios. AP by PB is equal to AP by PB is equal to AQ by PC. Okay, AQ by PC, which is equal to PQ by BC. PQ by BC. PQ by BC. Let us take equation 2. Let us take equation 2. Just while you are writing this step, very careful. See, AP by PB, which is equals to AQ by PC. Okay. Next to PQ by BC. That ratio you can take it. Let us consider as equation 2. After that, now here you can take what we took the values, all you can take it. Here we want to know AQ value. So AQ is equal to RS is equal to what we can write? AQ is equals to RS is equals to, here we can write OS minus OR. OS minus OR. OS is X. So X minus OR is X1. Right? Now we got it now. So that RS X minus X1 we got it now. Next, similar way, here next, if you want ST, that is PC, so we can write it as PC is equal to ST is equals to, here OT minus OS. Okay, OT minus OS. What is OT here? What is OT here? O2 T, what I took? X2. So X2 minus OS what? X. X2 minus X. This is X minus X1. Be careful while writing. So we got it AQ and PC values. These are opposite sides are equal now. So that this is as AQRS or ARSQ is a rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. So RS is equal to AQ, which is X minus X1. Next, this also rectangle. PSTC also one rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. So ST is equal to PC is equal to X2 minus X. X2 minus X. After that, on the y-axis also write down. Here we took PS. PS minus QS. Okay, we want PQ here. If you want PQ, then here I am writing PQ is equals to PS minus SQ. PS minus SQ. What is PS here? See, what is PS here? P2S Y. So Y minus SQ. SQ what we took? Y1. So Y minus Y1. Next, here I am writing comma. Next, what we want to know the value? Here we got it PQ. Next, BC we want. Okay, BC we want. For that, what we can write here? See, BC means BT minus TC. Okay. BC is equals to, here BT, total length BT minus TC. Okay. So here BT means what? Y2, B2T, Y2 length. So Y2 minus TC. TC is Y only. Okay. Now we got it Y2 minus Y. So BC what I took? Y2 minus Y. Okay. So after getting these all the values, These all the values you can substitute here. We know AQ and PC, PQ and BC. These four values we know, and this AP by PB also we know, M1, M2. Okay, these all values you can substitute in the equation 2. Okay, up to here once take the screenshot. Next I will explain continuation. Up to here over, no? So just these all the values what we got, these all the values you can substitute in the equation 2. After that what we will get, once look at here. See, AQ, AP by PB we got it M1 by M2. Substitute here, you can write all these values, substitute in equation 2. So we get M1 by M2 which is equals to AQ by PC. AQ means x minus x1 divided by PC. PC means x2 minus x. x2 minus x, which is equal to PQ by BC. What is PQ? Y minus y1 divided by BC. Okay, BC. BC what we know? Y2 minus y. Here write down y2 minus y. y2 minus y. Okay. Taking values are very important in this derivation. You may little bit confuse here taking x values and y values. Be careful for that. Okay. Now you can equate these two. First I am equating these two. Next time I will equate these two. Okay. So let us take M1 by M2 is equals to x minus x1 by x2 minus x. Okay. Now do cross multiplication. Here M1 into x2 minus x which is equal to M2 into x minus x1. X minus x1. Okay. Now you can multiply M1 into x2 minus M1 into x which is equal to M2 into x minus plus into minus. Here any symbol not there means plus only, no. Now M2 into x1. Okay. Now x terms one side and remaining terms one side you can. This is x term. Take transpose. This is you can transpose here. M1 x2 transpose of minus term will becomes plus term. M2 x1 which is equal to here M2x as it is there. This minus term you can take transpose, it will becomes plus term. Okay. Now in these two terms x is common. Okay. Take x common, then you will get, first I am writing M1 then M2 order. Okay. So here you will get M1x2 plus M2x1. Okay, after that take the transpose of this term. So you will get M1x2 plus M2x1 as it is write down divided by transpose of multiplication will gives division. So M1 plus M2 which is equal to x. Therefore we can write it as x is equals to, same I am writing, M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. This is the x coordinate. This is the x coordinate. Up to here once take the screenshot. Further next y coordinate also I will derive now. Okay. Very simple, just minus terms you can take transpose. This minus term you can take transpose here. This minus term you can take transpose here. After that take x common. Remaining this as it is. This two as it is. Okay. Now that is the x coordinate. Next we can equate y. If you equate x means you can get x coordinate. Now I am taking M1 by M2 is equals to y minus y1 by y2 minus y. Now here also take cross multiplication. Okay. So here m1 into y2 minus y, which is equals to m2 into y minus y1. Just cross multiplication. Now you can multiply inside. m1 y2 minus m1 y, which is equal to m2 y minus m2 y1. The same way here, take the minus terms transpose. m1 y2, here minus term this side, m2 y1, which is equals to m2 y here. Here y term just I am taking transpose. So it will becomes plus m1 y. Okay. Now m1 y2 as is m2 y1, which is equal to, in these two terms y is common, right? So I am taking y common. First I am writing m1 in order. m2 plus m1 or m1 plus m2, no problem. Okay. Now take the transpose. Same. Directly I am writing y is equals to, here this term only you can take transpose. So this term as it is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. This is y. Okay. Now x we got it and y also we got it. Okay. This is when the point P divides in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. In a similar way, if that point will be divide the AB in the ratio m1 is to m2 externally. In the case of externally, just here symbols will change if it is externally. Okay, that also I will tell you. Same as it is. If the point P divides the AB in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally, means this will come. That I will write at a time. See, internally. Chalks are not available. Only small chalks are there. That way that I am writing. Just listen. Internally means here xy. What we got, that only I am writing here. X is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma, y what we got it, m1 y2 plus m2 y1, m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay. Now, if it is divides internally, if P divides AB externally in the ratio m1 is to m2. If it is externally, okay, just a symbol will change. Internally means plus will come, externally means y will come. m1 x2 minus m2 x1 divided by m1 minus m2. Next m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 minus, sorry, here minus, just a symbol, m2 minus m1 minus m2. This is externally. Okay, just a symbol will change, remaining as it is. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe my channel, support me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.